Hello and welcome. My name is Robyn and this is my channel. I have been trying to film forever, but I am stuck with major allergies. So I'm just going to make this video short and sweet because I'm pretty sure I sound just as bad to you as I do to myself. But I have two Macy's beauty boxes that I wanted to film and get this part done because I know they're smaller than the other boxes that I have put away. So Macy's is, I think, $15 a month, and what month are we in? April? So I think I have March and April's boxes. So I will go ahead with March's box. So if you're new to my channel, I hope I didn't scare you off. So if you haven't subscribed to me, please do, because it does get better. Hit the notification button so you get notified of my future videos, and I hope you like this video. It's just crazy with allergies. I'm in Arizona and it's just going wild, and I've been watching everybody's videos and you all are doing great, but I just can't film. So I am just trying to do my best. So it's $15. It comes monthly, and they put different things in their box, and they usually put a $5 coupon, so if you go to the store you can save $5 off on an item that you purchase, so that's not bad. And I'm not sure what this is. It looks like maybe a makeup bag, and for all my existing followers, thank you for your patience during my rough sick spell. I just don't know what it is, and I'm just kind of hoping this just goes away. I guess it's just from getting old. Oh, I see a scissors. I actually did go grocery shopping today. So that was an adventure in itself, but I felt like I just had to get out of the house and do something. And this says Beauty Essentials. So this is really a cute bag. I know I will get it filthy, but it's a really nice bag. And then we have our little pink bundle. And I'm still rolling. We'll see what it is. I hope you guys are having a great spring. The first thing is Caudali. I've seen it before. And this is BioPerfect. Not sure what it's for. Complexion correcting. So I'm assuming it's for your face, and it's a complexion cream. So I'm gonna put this right in my bag. Then we have a Ultra Repair Cream, and I'm thinking this is for dry, parched skin. So I'm thinking it's a hand cream. And why can't I just, is this Murad? It's just, I thought I saw a card in here, but I guess I didn't. So it's a nice purse size. Then we have one of my faves. We have Elemis, and it's a papaya enzyme peel. So I'm assuming that's a mask. And yes, I'm trying to block my face. Now we have this little teeny tiny Perricone MD Soothing and Hydrating Eye Cream. And my eyes have been so dry, I am putting eye drops in them like constantly. So I do appreciate this for around the eyes. And then we got the Performance Tested Reduced Fine Lines, Wrinkles, and Crow's Feet. It's such a cute bottle. So definitely a perfect bag. And then they always put a sample of some really nice perfume in there, and sometimes they put a sample of men's perfume, or cologne I should say. Some people ask why, but it's like I'm always looking for some nice smelling juice for my man, because trust me, he's got this stuff from the way back. I mean, from the way back. So he needs a little update. And this is Clean Reserve Avant Garden Collection. And I probably won't be able to smell it. Let's see what it smells like. Oh, I guess it was a spray, because I see a spring in here. Doesn't smell bad, but now, you know, my allergies are gonna kick into high gear. So, not bad. So I got all this good stuff in this cute little bag, and it was $15. So, let me get rid of this smelly stuff. What was I thinking? So that was, I'm thinking, I didn't see a card in here, but I'm thinking that was March's bag. And then we have the April bag, and oh, we did get that card. What did I do with it? Okay, it's right here, because I gave you showed you the $5 off. So we got the Sundari eye oil. We got the Caudalie serum, the Elemis enzyme peel, and we have the First Aid Beauty, that's the product that was, and the Paracone MD CBD sensitive skin therapy eye cream, and then we got the clean make your allergies go into high gear perfume. So these are all just sample sizes, but if you were to buy them in the big size, the perfume would be $44, and the Paracone would be $72, and the First Aid would be $34, Elemis would be $45, and the Caudalie would be $79, and the eye oil would be $49. So, but it's really great so that you get to know, if you really like a product, how much it is before you buy it, and sometimes it's worth buying them. And then April's box. Now that I know we got this in here, it's actually really cute bag, like a little tin foily thing. And now I can't get over that perfume. Not be opening any perfume in this bag. And I'm not crazy about samples like the Ipsies and some of the sample bags, because I really don't use a lot of the samples. Vicky from West Coast Weeks turned me on to this, but I do like these because they have the higher end products that I really don't buy, and they're not really in BoxyCharm. and I don't get ipsy. So I don't mind trying these because I would go out and purchase them. So the first thing is by Clinique, and it's a quick liner for eyes, intense stylo. No, it's in something French. Dessin d'Ayu Intense, so it's the same thing. I don't know if I'll be using it for a while since these allergies just aren't going to go anywhere. But this is what it looks like, so this will probably be departing. But it does look nice. And to be honest, it looks like a full size. And let's see, the Clinique, it retails for $20, so I'm thinking that's a full size. Then we have a makeup eraser, and we've seen these around the block in BoxyCharm and all the other ones, so I won't take it out, but I know I love mine. So it's a nice size. I've seen bigger, so it's obviously not a full size. This one goes for, they say it's $20, so I don't think this is a 20. I just think it's a sample size. And, okay, this is Jimmy Choo, and it's the man's, so I won't be opening it, but I'm gonna let my man try it. And of course, he'll probably stick up his nose, like, why are you making me try this smelly stuff? But let me tell you, after a long bike ride, he needs it. So he will be trying that. Now don't tell him I said all these things, because he doesn't watch my YouTube, okay? But he doesn't need to know these things. Then we have the Cold It Magic Ultra Long Lasting Eyeliner Crayon. So 2 eyeliners? That's kind of odd. Maybe it's eyeliner month. Ooh, it's another pretty looking. Now this is like more like a pencil. So I don't like these. So this will probably going away. And even see that one. The Jimmy Choo retails for $92 if you wanted to buy the full size. And I didn't see the Kohl's on there. Ooh. This is a brush. Clinique Quick Liner for Eyes, Intense and Ebony. We saw the liner. Saw the eraser. Oh, here it is. The Bodyography Taper. It's a blending brush, and this retails for $8. Oh, and the Colette retails for $24. So I'm thinking this is full size, and that Colette was full size. So that's not bad. And then we have, ooh, a YSL Touche Clay, and it's a primer. So that's what that looks like. So I'm just gonna try a little, and then I'm gonna go have to take a shower and get this perfume off of me. Feels real soft. Let that dry a little. But that's really nice. And that the big size would be $52. And if it works out nice, $52 for a primer is not bad, but it feels really, really soft. And then the last thing is a woman's perfume. It's I Want You by Jimmy Choo. And it's gonna stay right where it's at because I am not opening it. So it's nice that they put the samples inside so you can smell them when you don't have major allergies. And if you wanted any of the products, like if I wanted to go by the YSL, I'd say $5. So that isn't bad. So what did you think of these boxes? Do any of you get? I know a couple people because I've watched theirs. Sorry. I know a couple people get them. And they're not for $15. And in this one, it had like 2 or 3 full-size products. So let me know what you thought of this. I'm so sorry about my allergies, but I just wanted to get this video out there. And you guys have an awesome week. And thank you so much for your support.